Hello friends, welcome to New Jiva, a health and wellness service that is based on the principles of Ayurveda. The winter season has begun and many of us are ready to enjoy the holidays. But some of us may suffer from a sore throat or cold, congestion and cough, and that can really put a damper on the holiday spirit. So today I'm going to talk to you about 3 home remedies that I have used which were passed on from my grandmother to me. So I know that they are effective for a sore throat, they are time tested, and they are also inexpensive. So let's get started. So the first tip is doing gargling with lukewarm water. Now what you want to do is add a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder in this lukewarm water and then gargle with it at least twice a day. So you can gargle with it as soon as you wake up in the morning for about 5 minutes and then at bedtime. Now if you happen to be home, then you can do it 2 more times during the course of the day. So a total of 2 to 4 times is recommended for a sore throat. The second tip is having pomegranate tea. Pomegranate tea is available online, but it can get a little expensive. So what I like to do is whenever I buy pomegranate, I save the pomegranate peel and dry it in the shade, and then I store it in an airtight container just like this. So now I have pomegranate peel throughout the year. Now you can have the pomegranate tea once or twice a day, or if you have these pomegranate peels at home, then you can boil 5 to 6 pieces in a cup of water and allow it to come to a rolling boil and then continue to boil it for about 5 minutes. Once you're ready to sip the tea, then add some honey to it. The third tip is having licorice tea. I'm not talking about the licorice candy here, but I'm talking about the licorice root, which looks like this. You can find this licorice root online and it will look like this. It may come in bigger pieces or it may come in smaller pieces. I would take about a quarter of this root because it's really sweet in taste. And if you have smaller pieces, you can take about a quarter teaspoon of those small pieces and then again boil it in 1 cup of water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's lukewarm, you can sip this licorice tea and it's very soothing for the throat. I prefer to boil my teas rather than steep them because when you boil roots or barks of trees or stems, it is much easier to extract all the nutrients from them when the water comes to a rolling boil and you allow it, you continue to boil it for another 5 minutes. And that creates a stronger tea with a stronger effect. One word of caution about the licorice tea is that licorice is known to raise blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, avoid the licorice tea, but you can use the other 2 methods. Whenever you change your diet, your herbs or herbal formulations, always consult with your physician or an Ayurvedic practitioner who can guide you, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking any prescription medications. So let's go over the 3 tips one more time. One is gargling with lukewarm water with a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric and gargling at least 2 to 4 times a day. The second tip is pomegranate peel tea, and the third tip is the licorice tea. So I hope you find these tips useful and you'll be able to use them. I wish you happy holidays. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Namaste. Thanks for giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel.